What's up guys? Today I'm installing a couple items on my 2019 Subaru WRX. I picked up a license plate frame and the door handle cup protectors from Subaru. Should be a pretty quick, easy install. Let's get started. I got these off of Amazon. I'm going to install them today. Hopefully they stay on pretty well. If they're anything like the OEM door sills, once this stuff sticks on, it does not move. So hopefully I don't mess it up my first try. So it looks like there is just a double plastic. There's one on the front and as well as one on the back. I'm gonna go ahead and take the front piece off. I'm going to peel back half of this and put it on that way, but first I need to wipe down the surface. I'm going to use some rubbing alcohol and water, just in a spray bottle and a microfiber towel, and clean it off. Like I said, I'm going to peel back half of this, and I'm gonna try and hold this forward and place the bottom, and then take the rest off at the top. We'll see how this goes. Not going well. Probably a little dark, but it looks pretty good. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go back with a heat gun just to go over this when I'm done with all of them, just to make sure they adhere nicely. I did take the heat gun to them prior to me putting them on because it is a little cold out today.